Hey guys, it's me, Jasper Cal. I'm just making a quick video. I'm actually waiting for Jim John's to come deliver me some food, and I'm still really sick, so I sound like a man. But I just wanted to make a quick video. Guys suck. They all fucking suck. They all suck. All suck. Fuck them. Seriously. Like, ugh. Ugh. I'll make another video on this, but my favorite movie in the whole fucking world is Jennifer's Body. And I swear to God, there's gonna be like a Jessica's Body one day, and I'm just gonna eat every fucking boy. I'm gonna eat their insides out, and I'm just gonna fucking, I don't know. Tired of the bullshit. I'm tired of everyone's bullshit. Girls fucking suck too. Clearly I'm having a bad fucking day, but like, I'm serious. Everyone just sucks. I probably suck too. I ordered a number 6 with no tomatoes, by the way. Maybe I should stop being a psycho, and I would have some subscribers. I have 2! It's fine, I love the 2 of you. But, I don't know what the point of this video is. Don't trust anyone, especially if you're in middle school or high school. Don't trust anyone. Even if you think you have a best friend, like, don't trust anyone. I'm not saying that my high school or middle school best friend, like, is shitty. Just don't trust anyone. Except your dog or your cat. My dog is... Kitty, come here! Come here! We gotta show them who I trust, because it's you. There's my little baby. Oh my god. Do I trust you? Yeah. Is Jim John here? Is Jim John here? Mr. Jim John? You think? Okay. Okay. See? I trust him because I'm pretty sure the Jim John's guy is really here because my phone's ringing. It's on silent. I'm looking at it. But okay. Love you guys. Sorry for all the hating and stuff. But right now I just hate everyone. Okay, go eat my number 6. Bye.